So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the background remover tool here in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is find an image that you want to remove the background of. It can either be an uploaded image, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to search up an image of a hippo. How about a hippo? Hippos are pretty cool, right? How about this hippo right here? Nice photo of a hippo. My goal is for this is just to remove the background using the Canva remover or background remover tool. I believe you can only use this tool with Canva Pro or higher. So if you're looking to upgrade to Canva Pro, I highly recommend it for this tool that I'm going to be showing you guys right now. But once you have a photo that you want to remove the background of, just press on the photo, go to where it says Edit Image in the top left corner. Then press on edit image. Then I want you to press on this thing right here, background remover. Remove the background of your image with one click. Very simple. Just press it. It'll take a couple seconds to identify the background that it's removing. Some photos are going to be easier to remove the background of than others, but this one should be just fine, I would imagine. Remove the background from the hippo and just get the outline of the hippo. So it's going to take a couple seconds. We'll wait till it's done. If it takes a little while, I'll skip further ahead in this video, but it shouldn't take too much longer, I would imagine. It's going to take some time. Super simple way of removing a background. Once it is done just like that, I can press apply, and there you go. I have successfully removed the background of the hippo. As you can tell, it's not perfect because the water was obviously cutting off the hippo, so if I wanted to just make it a little bit more natural, maybe I just do something like this, and there you go. I removed the background of the hippo. Now, if you want to bring the background back, not a big deal. Just go to where it says edit image again. In this corner right here, top right, it says restore original. Just press on that, and there you go. The background is back. So that is how you use the background remover tool here in Canva. Hopefully this helped.